Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter Siri and search, enable Hey Siri and set up it. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Tap done and make sure that Allow Siri when locked is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Siri, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Expect partly cloudy skies tomorrow.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.